care of yourselves and staying indoors just the way I am. I clearly understand that it must have been very boring for many of us to stay indoors. But we need to look up to people who are using this time for something productive and doing their best to stay indoors. Yes, it is time for us to realize that staying indoors will not just save you from the evil, but will also protect the world. If you are a daughter, take joy in taking care of your parents. If you're a mother, spend time with your kids. If you're a wife, make good food for your husband. That is how it goes. And by the end of this, you will bloom into something beautiful if you use this time for something productive. Let's stay together. Let's fight this battle against Corona and also follow the government guidelines at the same time. I would request all of you to stay home, maintain proper hygiene, and use this time for something productive. Stay home, stay safe.